we have here is our Densifier moisture seal. This floor has had a moisture issue in the past, so we're going to apply our moisture seal to it. Now this product goes on in 2 coats. We're going to put down the first coat, and we'll scrub it in lightly. We always want to keep the surface moist. You don't want this product to dry on the surface at all, or it'll leave a scale behind. So once we brush this in, we'll apply a second coat. We want to let this sit on the concrete for another 20 to 30 minutes. We don't want it to dry out at all, so we'll have a second sprayer off to the side that has water in it, and if we see areas drying, we'll reapply a little bit of water. You do not want to let this product dry on the floor or you're going to have to scrape it off.